In this video, I'll show you how to change your account country on Roblox. Before we begin, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials and troubleshooting guides. First, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. Scroll down until you see Language. Change your account language to the language of the country you want to switch to. Next, scroll down and click About Us. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Under Resources, click Help Center. In the search bar, type Country. Under Roblox Account Settings, click on Changing your account language. Scroll down and click Need More Help. Contact support here. This will open the Roblox Contact Us form. Enter your username, first name, and email address. Confirm your email address. Under Issue Details, select your device. For Type of Help category, choose How To. Then select Change My Location. In the description box, you can use a message like this: Hello Roblox. I recently moved from my previous country to a new country, but my Roblox account location still says I'm from my previous country. I would like to ask for you to change my account location to my current country so I get placed in this country's servers and don't lag as much when playing a game. Click Continue. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your email and continue. Now all that's left to do is wait for a response from Roblox Support. Keep in mind that changing your account country isn't guaranteed, and Roblox reviews each request individually. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.